Welcome back to Tadpole Chess. I am Kelton, but you know me as the Odd Proud Tadpole. What is Tadpole Chess? As a reminder, here at Tadpole Chess, we examine different games, tactics, and players. As I examine specific games and tactics, I will label them into one of 3 levels of difficulty. Novice for beginners, go beginners go. For intermediate level players, prep, we're getting good. For elite players, you're advanced and steamy on fire. I also will show you the behind the scenes at different chess tournaments and evaluate different chess platforms throughout this YouTube series. Whether you are brand new to chess and you're a beginner or been playing for a while, intermediate, or an expert, elite. I hope you enjoy what the Tadpole has in store for you. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, click that bell so it will give you reminders when our next video has been posted. Let's get started today. Today, we are going to look at many chess boards. Make sure to look in the link down below because I will be putting links down below in the description so you can purchase similar chess boards to what I have and I show you. So this one is the one that we're going to look into first. This one is magnetic because if you look up, I'm not lying, it literally just is magnetic. And the cool thing about this is it also has its own case. And you can also put the pieces in. So, for example, this is a pawn. It goes in here, and here's the king. It would go here because it's the biggest piece. And this is a really cool chessboard, and I use it to travel a lot. But it usually confuses me because it doesn't have numbers or ABC, so I can't figure it out usually. But sometimes I do. We have a new chessboard that has appeared. This is a very cool chessboard because it fits in my backpack. I also take it to school every single day. This one is also small and pretty lightweight. I use it to teach my friends and my teacher. This is the very board that my friends are learning how to play chess. The vinyl board rolls up. It has all the numbers and letters to label your rows and columns. This helps you when you learn notations. It has a cool zipper pouch that contains all of the plastic pieces. All in all, this is a great travel chess set. We have a new chessboard that has appeared. This is a board that my Aunt Heather gave to us. She served in the United States Army. She brought this board back with her when she had to who served in Afghanistan. And this is the actual chessboard that I started learning chess on. This is also made of marble. It's very heavy. It is not a large chessboard, but knowing where it came from and that it was brought to us because my Aunt Heather was serving her country and protecting our freedoms is what it makes it so special. Also, a quick shout out to my cousin Rachel, who is now following in my aunt's footsteps, studying at West Point Military Academy. Go get 'em, Rachel! We have a new chessboard that has appeared. Here's another fun chessboard that was given to me by a family friend who grew up in Jordan, went back to visit from some family friends. He bought this chessboard back for me as a gift. I love this chessboard a lot. It's also made out of wood. Usually it's black versus white, like in the other chessboards we have looked at. And this is brown versus white or light. It is also so colorful. Look at all these green and red and white and on black. Like, it's so colorful. Look at it. This board we have set up in the house just to look at. It looks to me like a piece of art. It's so beautiful. This is a new chessboard, and this one we never actually use. It's more of a showpiece that is set up and admired like a piece of art. This was given to us as a gift and came from South America, and it also is made out of wood. Like, this was straight up hand-carved wood. And it probably took a long time to make. The pieces are very, very delicate. As you can see, they're very delicate. And, like, you would never tell that this is a rook. So I'm going to describe to you how you tell how you set them up. So this is a rook, because this is the shortest piece, and then it goes up to the knight, and then it goes up to the bishop, and then it goes to the king, because the king's obviously the highest and the tallest piece, and then it goes to the queen, which is getting shorter than the king, and now it goes to the bishop, and it gets smaller to the knight, and then the rook. So that's how you tell that how you set the pieces up. And this is the shortest piece, the pawn. It's even shorter than the rook if you look at it. Like, this is a chess set that you would never find on Amazon. I hope one day I have many chess boards that come from all over the world and the countries. We have a new chessboard now. Let's take a look at what a tournament chessboard should look like. The United States Chess Federation states that squares should be anywhere from 2 inches to 2.5 inches. The height of this king should be between 3.75 inches to 4.5 inches. The standard United States Chess Federation set that is used at tournaments has 2.25 inch squares, the height of this king on the standard set is 3 3/4 inches. The most common type of chess set used in clubs, tournaments, and at schools are usually a standard plastic set like this. They usually are a roll-up vinyl board with a 3 3-inch king. If you have ever visited a chess club or played in a chess tournament, and you have likely seen one of these sets. The cool thing about this chessboard was I got it at the Junior National Chess Championships. And when the tournament play was done, and I was able to buy this tournament chessboard that was used in the play of it, and this is really cool about it, and not many chessboards have this feature. We have looked at so many different types of chessboards, you guys. If you are looking for a tournament chessboard, the link is down below in the description. In the comments, tell me which of my chessboards was your favorite. I would love to hear what kind of board you are using at home. Type that down in the comments section. Tadpole trivia time. Last week, I asked you, when was the first official World Chess Championship? 1886 is the answer. William Steinitz and Jonas Zagort were the players then. The match took place in the United States. The first 5 games were held in New York City. Then the next 4 games were in St. Louis. And then the final 11 games were in New Orleans. And the winner was the first player to achieve 10 wins. And William Steinitz won the match 10-5. He won the 10th game. In the 20th round of the match, there were 5 draws. Tadpole trivia for this week. How many pieces are on each side of a chess board? Beginners, this is for you. Go type your answers down below in the description or the comment section. To leave you with a little bit of humor, guess what it is? Tadpole chess joke time! Why are frogs so happy? They eat whatever bugs them, because frogs eat bugs. And do you get it? Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button down below. And also, don't forget to hit that notifications bell down below to remind you when the next Tadpole chess video has come out and been posted on YouTube. Bye, Tadpoles!